Hello 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to apply the wide style and wide style prep for Pilaster. In your most recent catalog, go ahead and drop in your base cabinet. And for a wide style, what we will do is you will go to the attributes of that cabinet and you'll go to add-ons and base modifications and then frame modifications. And down the list here, you'll see wide style. So go ahead and click on that, whether you want a left or a right. You'll have to do them one at a time. The window pops up that asks you for the reveal, because what they will want you to specify is the width of the reveal that you want from the edge of your door to the edge of your cabinet. So for this purpose, I'm going to say I want 4 inches. So we'll hit apply and OK. And that will go ahead and apply the wide style. And I'll show you here. The wide style does not go down to the floor. It stops, at the toe kick. If you want it to go all the way down to the floor, that is when you will use the wide style prep for Pilaster. So I will show you that one. Again, you'll go into attributes and add-ons, base modifications, and frame modifications. And you'll notice here, you have to read the nomenclature. It's got a P in it for Pilaster, so wide style prep for Pilaster. So let's go ahead and click on that. And your window will pop up again asking, what's the reveal from the edge of your door to the edge of the cabinet. Let's say we want this to look like a leg. So I'm going to say I want this to be 1.5 inches reveal. And basically what I'm telling them is I want that left style just to go all the way to the floor, and then it'll kind of look like a leg. I'll show you, because the prep for Pilaster will extend all the way down to the floor, and it will receive a flush inside toe space. So by calling out 1.5 inches, I'm basically telling them I want that style to go all the way down, and then it kind of makes it look like a leg. Okay, thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!